In this video, I'm going to show you how to change phone number on Microsoft account. Now, for you to get this done, what you're going to do is basically log into Microsoft.com, and from here, you're going to go ahead and click on your name here on the upper right, and you should be able to see here My Microsoft account. Go ahead and click that over there. And then from here, what you're going to do is head over to your info, and you should be able to see here your email as well as your phone number. You're going to go ahead and scroll down to account information and then choose to edit account info. Now from this point forward, you should be able to see here your email, and there is the option to add another email and add a phone number. Now to add or to change a phone number, basically before doing that, you should be adding another phone number. So what you can do is just tap the add phone number here and enter your phone number, click the next, and you are good to go. Once you're done doing that, you are going to delete the old phone number. So that is how it works. Similarly, if you're going to do it for email as well. Again, just go ahead and tap this one right here, click next, and you are good to go. And that, everybody, is how you are going to change phone number on Microsoft account. As always, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let me know in the comments if this video has been helpful.